Can someone use the Spaceship app while they're traveling or living abroad? It's a question we get a lot, especially from people who love the flexibility of the platform. The answer is a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no, so let's break it down. First off, it's important to know that the Spaceship app is designed for Australian residents. To even open an account, you need to be an Australian resident. But once you have an account, what happens if you take a trip? Or if you decide to move overseas permanently? The good news is that the Spaceship app is generally accessible from outside of Australia. So, if you're on vacation or a short business trip, you should still be able to log in and manage your investments. You can check your portfolio, see how your holdings are performing, and even place new trades. However, there's a big distinction to be made between being a temporary traveler and a permanent resident of another country. Spaceship's U.S. investing and Voyager services are only available to Australian residents. This means if you move to another country, you might not be able to continue using the platform in the same way. The rules around investing and financial services are different in every country, and they often come with their own tax implications. For example, Spaceship is unable to open a U.S. investing account for a U.S. citizen or tax resident, and may also be unable to do so for citizens of certain other countries. This is all due to regulatory requirements and tax laws. If your residency status changes, you'll need to contact Spaceship's customer support to figure out what your options are. They can help you navigate the specific rules that apply to your situation. So, in short, if you're an Australian resident and you're just traveling, you're good to go. But if you're making a permanent move overseas, you'll need to check with Spaceship directly to understand how your account will be impacted. It's a vital step to ensure you stay compliant and can continue to manage your finances effectively, no matter where in the world you are.